I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have administrator rights because this is the only supported way to change taskbar icon size. Once done, back up the registry or create a system restore point to undo changes if needed. Next, open Start, type regedit, and run Registry Editor as administrator. This gives you direct access to the keys you will modify. Make sure no registry backups are pending, and close File Explorer windows, so changes apply cleanly when you restart Explorer later. You will now navigate to the Advanced key under Explorer and prepare the taskbar seed word. Once there, right-click Advanced, choose New Word 32-bit value if taskbar C is missing, then name it exactly taskbar C. Set its value to 2 to enlarge icons, use 1 to keep default or 0 for smaller icons. Be precise with spelling and base. Use decimal or hexadecimal, value numbers are the same. Changing this value is what changes the icon scaling in the taskbar. After editing taskbar C, you must reload the shell for changes to take effect. Open Task Manager and Task Explorer. EXE, then use File Run New Task and type Explorer. EXE to restart it, you will see larger icons immediately. If that fails, sign out or reboot to force a full reload. And if something goes wrong, restore your registry export or reset taskbar C to 1. This is the only supported method to change icon size in Windows 11 without third-party tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.